Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
My name is Frass Chaudhary and I am currently in grade 11.
And my name is Wajahat Chaudhary and I am entering grade 9.
And we are representing Halka Kleinberg of Van Imarat. Last year, we focused our presentation on the truths of evolution. And a lot of people were especially intrigued by how the Holy Quran, a mere 1400 years ago, accurately presented the theory of evolution to the world before modern technology could even prove it right. Many people were wondering what are some other scientific miracles of the Holy Quran, and as such, this is a topic of our project this year, 14 miracles of the Holy Quran.
Before we get into discussing the scientific and the application part of our project, it is imperative to outline what our hypothesis and the purpose for this project is. The main purpose that we had in mind when working on this project was to disprove what many people around the world perceive about the accuracy of the Holy Quran. It is a common misconception of scientists and others alike that science and religion are not compatible. But the purpose of our project is to present the reality of this misconception, and our hypothesis is that science as presented in the Holy Quran works hand in hand with modern science, and in some cases it even fuels modern scientific researches and ameliorates their results.
As this year's science fair takes the form of a virtual science fair, we thought that the best adaptation of our project would be to present our research on these miracles of the Holy Quran in the form of an online booklet, so that people could view this paper through online means. We will also be showcasing this paper at different stages during our presentation. I request the judges to also view the PDF in the comments. Now, we would like to present and prove 2 of our 14 miracles of the Holy Quran, and I request the judges to read through the rest of the 12 miracles in our online booklet.
The first miracle deals with mathematics and proves that the Quran accurately presented the value of pi. In Arabic, every letter has been given a numerical value as defined by the Abdus table. In the Holy Quran, Allah Ta'ala mentions, Inna ila rabbika ruja'a. Translation: surely unto thy Lord is your return. If we conceptualize the translation of this verse, it means that regardless of the actions of the disbelievers, they will not achieve any progress and will return to where they started, meaning back to God. This imagery certainly resonates with the properties of a circle. When we look at the word al-Roja'a, it has a value of 314, and if you measure the table in centiradians, it directly translates to 314 centiradians. And when we take the Abdus value of the entire verse, it is shockingly equal to 614 centiradians. When both the values are converted to radians, they are equal to pi and 2 pi, or in other words, a half circle and a full circle.
Another miracle of the Holy Quran is related with astronomy, and that is in relation to presenting the origins of water. According to verse 19 of chapter 23, it is mentioned that the water found on earth was not the water's initial dwelling, and rather it was sent down to earth from outer space, which is symbolized by the sky. Congruently, according to various sites such as NASA, most of the water found on earth was deposited from the ice carried by comets that have entered Earth's atmosphere. They have concluded this because our own solar system was incapable of providing such large amounts of water that are found on Earth. And as a result, this must have been received from outer space through asteroids. Additionally, the ratio of deuterium to the normal hydrogen isotope found in water on Earth, which is a method of differentiating different kinds of water, is exactly similar to the kind of water that was found on an asteroid passing by.
As seen in these miracles, The scientific miracles of the Holy Quran have stood up to the challenge of time. And when modern science has researched some of these topics, they have found no contradiction between their research and the science presented in the Holy Quran. Hence, our hypothesis is deemed factual, as the science presented in the Holy Quran works hand in hand with modern scientific achievements.
Jazakallah for listening.